Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be factorizing quadratics. As you can see in this first question we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. The first thing you want to do is draw an empty set of double brackets and put an x at the start of each bracket, like so. We're looking for two numbers that would give us plus 5x and plus 6 when we expand our brackets. As the plus 5 and plus 6 are both positive values, we know the two numbers that we'll get later on will also have positive numbers. So you can just put positive signs right here. Moving on, if you've expanded brackets before, you'll know the number in this case, plus 6, this number, is the result of a multiplication that you do when you expand your brackets. Therefore, we know that the two numbers that we're trying to find must times to make plus 6. So we can just write down here on the side two numbers that times to make plus 6. So we got 1 and 6, 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 and 3, 2 times 3 is 6. So yeah, these two are the ones that I've got. I don't think there are any more. Yeah, there aren't any more. But for some other numbers there might be more than just 2, there might be 3, there might be 4, but in this there's only 2. So how do we find out which two numbers to use in our answer? Well, all we do is just add them. So 3 equals 7, 3 equals 5. And see which one is equal to the number in front of the x. In this case it's 5x, so the number is 5. So our answer should be 5 when we add the two numbers together. So 6 plus 1 is 7, and that's not 5, so we're not going to be using the 6 and 1. But 3 plus 2 is 5, and that is equal to 5, so we'll be using this these two numbers. We'll be using 2 and 3, so we can just slot them into this into our answer, to our factorized answer. So 2 and 3 doesn't really matter if it's 3 or 2, so you can just, if it was x plus 3 and x plus 2, that wouldn't really matter. It's the same, it would still be right. And now moving on, we are gonna check our answer, and to do this we'll have to just expand it out again. So I'll do this in blue. So just expand it out. Quickly do this, because I think I've already covered this in a previous video. So, and it's quite easy. So it's simple. So x times x is x squared plus 2x times x times 3 is 3x plus 3x. Plus 2x plus 6. So these two x terms will combine. So 3x plus x will be 5x plus 6, of course, and the x squared as well. So x squared plus 5x plus 6. And the way we can tell if we've done our factorizing correctly is if this answer at the end here, when we expand out our answer, our brackets, is the same as the given quadratic at the beginning, and it is, so we know that we've done our working out correctly. Now moving on to this second question, we're asked to factorize x squared plus 3x plus 2. The first thing you want to do, just like last time, is draw an empty set of double brackets and put an x at the start of each bracket. So empty set of double brackets with an x at start, like so. And we're looking for two numbers, so the plus 3 and plus 2, and as these two numbers are positive, we can just put plus signs right here. So moving on, we're going to focus on this plus 2 now, and we're going to try find factors of this plus 2, so that times to make 2. So factors that I can think of are 2 and 1, and I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and sometimes you'll have more than one, just like we've had here in this example. But sometimes you'll have one, like here. And obviously we know that this is going to be the answer, but just to check, we can do the same thing as we did last time. We can add them, so that's equal to 3. And the x here is 3x, so we know that we've got the right answer here, so we can just put in 2 and 1. Doesn't matter, you can put 1 and 2, you can x plus 1, x plus 2 would be the same. So yeah, no difference. And now we can just expand our brackets again, just like last time, just to check if our answer is correct. So x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. When we combine these two x terms, we get 3x plus 2 plus x squared, and x squared plus 3x plus 2 is the same as this expression up here, so x squared plus 3x plus 2 is both the same, so we know that our answer is right.